To the ducky? We're going to say hi to him? Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi, ducky.
Stay here.
Hi.
Say.
Say hello, ducky.
Phone.
Yeah, it's the phone. Bye-bye, ducky.
Bye-bye, ducky.
We'll see you later, ducky.
See you tomorrow, ducky.
Blow kisses to mwah. Bye-bye, ducky. You gonna say bye-bye, ducky?
He's gone. All gone.
Ducky's all full now. He's had his dinner.
All gone.
Say bye-bye, ducky.
Uh-oh. Let's go.
Where'd he go? Where'd the ducky go, baby? You stay away from the ducky. Don't get too close to him, okay?
Come on, Nathan.
It's okay right there. Yeah. Oh, Nathan. Don't get too close to the ducky, okay? Don't run toward him.
Yeah, quack quack.
Say night-night, quack quack.
Bye-bye, quack quack.
He'll come back to see you tomorrow, okay? Ducky, come see you tomorrow?
No.
No?
No?
You want to give him his dinner tomorrow night, too?
No.
Alright, blow him kisses.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye,
Bye-bye,
guys.
ducky. Bye-bye, ducky.
Bye-bye.
No.
Bye-bye.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No. No. No.
You're not Kai. Ducky's right there.
No.
He's right there.
Come on. Come on in.
No. No.
Is he your friend?
No.
Nathan, is the ducky your friend? Yeah? Do you like him?
Hi.
Hi, ducky. Oh. No, this isn't his home.
Come on.
Come on, ducky.
Uh-oh.
Ducky, go potty after all that bread? Okay, night-night, ducky. We'll see you later, Kay.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Did he get it?
Hi.
Hi. Bye-bye, ducky.